A as in apple, T as... Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
And said, this is the final nail in Alec Baldwin's career casket.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
Again, okay, yeah.
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Yeah. I want to blow this up on Instagram. I want to...
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show, yo.
I've been in television for 30 years.
You know what I mean? So cool. Do you have any... What's so funny?
Can you tell I've never done a Zoom before? Was it easier having...
You having to listen to those goddamn answers? You don't really do astrology though. That's not your thing.
I'm not into astrology now.
Is it not real? Is it because it's not real or what?
Well, I won't say it's not. It's considered soft science. Astronomy, yeah, not astrology, because astrology is based on a lot of predictions. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because boy, killing it, boy, killing it.